Hi, everyone. So we're moving along with our coding, and we started off with code.org. Then we had some success with Hopscotch, or quite a bit of success. This is sort of the next step, and the coding is getting a little bit more sophisticated. We're going to start by making an addition calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to events, and we're going to say when the green flag is clicked. So this is what's going to start our motion. And he can say things too, and he can say things for 1 second or 2 seconds. You can adjust the time, and what he's going to say is he's going to tell you that he's going to say hello, right? So there, that's the start of our coding, our sequence. And if I click on the green flag, you can test it out, right? But that's the end of that. So the next thing we're going to do is he has to start asking a question. Now, to ask a question, you have to use this blue one here, right? So you go under sensing, and this will provoke or bring up a box at the bottom where somebody can write the number, right? So it's going to be something like, please give me your first number. And he's going to wait. So when you do this and you click the green flag, right, so then he's going to ask, the person could put in the first number. Now, if I put a number now, it's not really going to do anything. Okay, so the next thing we can do is we can make a variable. And making variables is very important so that we can do the function. So first number, and there we go. Okay, so there's the first number. Now, we're going to take the first number, okay, and you see there it's set to 0. But what I really want it set to is that whatever number they put in is going to become an answer. So if I hold it right over there, when it flashes, I put it in. So set the first number to the answer. Okay, so once the person puts it in, right, he can come back and he can say something like this. Okay, so there we go. And we can take data and we can set, we have to make a new variable, and the new variable is the second number. And all of a sudden it's created. So now it doesn't add any new bricks, but we could take this here and we can change that, right, to second number, right? So first number, second number. And once again, whatever the person puts in is going to become the answer. Okay, so you can always go back and you can start the sequence again. So hello, put the first number, 1, 2, 3, and then he's going to say, okay, give me a second number, 5, 6, 7. But if I do that, nothing happens because that's the end of the coding sequence, right? So what we need to do now is that we have to add an operator. So the operator is actually where the addition is going to happen. So there's my plus sign, and I need this little area to work. And I'm going to go back into data. I'm going to take the first number, okay, and the second number. So right now, what I have here, I'm basically telling the code that it has to add these two numbers together. And we're also going to join. So we're going to find join, and we're going to take this, and there we go. Now, whatever two numbers that they're going to input, we're going to make it look like he's thinking. The answer is, and then the answer will come in. Now, finally, we're going to go back and we're going to take something that he'll say. So we'll go to looks, I think, and there it is. And we're going to put this all in together. There we go. And we're going to attach it. And that really should do it. Okay, so now we're going to start the sequence again. And we're going to say, okay, so 1, 2, 3. Please give me the second number, 4, 5, 6. And if I click the check mark, he adds them together. So I hope you You got that? And the challenge to you now is that, okay, this is the code for an addition calculator. Can you code a division calculator or a multiplication calculator? So good luck to you and ask questions, but I really want you to be able to solve it on your own.